Hi everyone, welcome back to this week's Bake Along. I hope you're all staying safe. So the Camford Amnesty International Group has asked me to do an international dish to raise awareness and celebrate different cultures. So I've decided to do a baklava. So what you'll need is some phyllo pastry. I sneakily use shop bought just because it's much easier. And then you'll need your nuts. So I've got 200 grams of pistachios, 50 grams of walnuts, 50 grams of pecans. You're gonna need 3 tablespoons of honey and melted butter. And then for the syrup, which I'll tell you about a bit later on, you're gonna need 250 grams of golden caster sugar, a teaspoon of cinnamon, teaspoon of ground cardamom, and 50 grams of honey. So the first thing we need to do is add all our nuts into one bowl. There's my pistachios, my pecans, and my walnuts. Now you want to add your 3 tablespoons of honey. Nice generous tablespoons of honey. I'm just gonna stir this around. So we're gonna have our nice sticky, nutty honey mixture. So now it's on to the phyllo pastry. So what I've done, I've cut my sheets in half. So I've got smaller sheets that will fit into my tin that I've lined with some baking paper at the bottom and then just butter around the side. And I'm gonna start adding my layers of phyllo pastry. Now be really delicate because these are so easy to break, as you can see. And I'm just gonna pop it down in there. And then what you want to do, you want to add a layer of your melted butter, and then you want to repeat this process. So now we're going to put our honey and nut filling in. What I've done, I've laid about half my sheets of phyllo, and then I've left the other half. So after I put this honey and nut mixture in, we continue the layering. Okay, so I'm just patting down my mixture, and then layering will commence again. Yay, the final layer. Here you go, let's make it the best one. So now we've finished layering. What we want to do is cut deep lines into our baklava. You can either do squares or traditional diamond shaped. It doesn't really matter. I'm going to do squares just because it's a little bit easier. So here goes nothing. Okay, so now we're going to bake our baklava for 20 minutes in a preheated oven at 180. And then after those 20 minutes, what you're going to do is turn the heat down to 150 and then cook for another 45 minutes. And in the meantime, we're gonna make our syrup. Okay, so to the oven we go. Okay, so my baklava has now been in the reduced temperature oven for about 25 minutes, so I'm gonna start making the syrup. So what I'm gonna do is add my 250 grams of golden caster sugar in my saucepan. Then I'm gonna add 200 milliliters of water. Now I've grounded down some cardamom, but this is quite a strong flavor, so I'm just gonna put half a teaspoon in. And now a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. And now we're gonna add 50 ml of honey. Over to the hob we go. So now the syrup is on the hob, what we want to do is turn the heat up and let the sugar dissolve. And then we want to let it boil for about 8 to 10 minutes. And then while it's still hot and our baklava is out of the oven, pour all the syrup on so it can be absorbed into our phyllo pastry. So we finished our bake. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. I have found it really interesting cooking something from a different culture, so I hope you guys will too. It's been so lovely baking for you this term. I hope you have a lovely summer holidays and stay safe. Hope to see you all soon. Here is a picture of my finished bake. Thank you so much.